Welcome to 26 Brady Street, Mallacoota, a serene haven nestled on a generous corner block where tranquility meets panoramic beauty. As we begin our aerial journey, notice the sprawling deck that boasts views over the stunning Mallacoota Lake and out to the ocean from 2 vantage points. Imagine the leisurely mornings spent here, coffee in hand, as the gentle breeze wafts from the lake, bringing with it the faint sounds of the distant shore. Swooping down, we observe the home's layout. Now let's ascend for a broader view. From this height, the house's strategic placement at the intersection of Brady and Raheen Streets is evident, enhancing its accessibility and appeal. The property's entire expanse, over 1,000 square meters, unfolds beneath us, revealing a native garden that complements the natural aesthetics of the area. Gently panning to the rear, we find a bungalow set back from the main house. This cozy retreat serves as a perfect guest house. Along Raheen Drive, the side of the main house comes into view. The gray weatherboards and green color bond roof merge gracefully with the landscape. Here, the functional beauty of the home is undeniable, from the dual roller garage doors under the house to the sturdy staircase that leads up to the main deck. The front part of the house opens generously onto the large deck, while the rear hosts a practical double carport. Spacious enough for parking up to 6 vehicles. Notice how seamlessly the structures integrate with the surrounding landscape. Each window and door thoughtfully positioned to capture the essence of Malacoota's charm. The tour wouldn't be complete without appreciating the expansive views from the deck itself. Here we stand, enveloped by a panorama that stretches from the Narrows and Howe Ranges across Cool's Inlet to Gabo Island, visible in the distance. Each look offers a new perspective, a new invitation to explore and appreciate. Finally, we ascend once more, taking in the view of the entire neighborhood. The houses nearby share in the privilege of this stunning locale, each with decks and windows designed to embrace the vistas that make Mallacoota a coveted place to call home. Thank you for soaring with us over 26 Brady Street, a truly exceptional property where every angle offers a promise of peace, privacy, and natural beauty. Call Alan Dobbin to discuss 0418-833-770 or via his website mallacoota propertysales.com.au.